my first shop which I had started, I had actually to shut it down and it was a very emotional decision for me. पण आता कळटा कितें चलतलें कितें चलचें ना. अरे हे दुकान ना काय पार्किंग ना सगळे गाडयो स्ट्रेट वता कोण थांबतलो हांगा मदीं दो इट इज इन अ रोड फेसिंग एरिया.
How family plays a very important role in your life.
Family is very important because without my husband's support, I would have never achieved all these things. So Sagar was like totally supportive.
सोशल मिडिया कशी आमी मार्केटिंग टेक्निक्स यूज करून आमचो बिझनस ग्रो करपाक शकता.
Social media presence is important because everybody is on social media. Zanti man, young man, everybody's, and that's the best way to market. And there are a lot of tools. I also don't understand, but my marketing person is doing where you can put the advertisements, you can boost your photos or boost your advertisements, boost your images and events creates करू शकता.
नमस्कार आणि योकार तुमकां सगळ्या पोवप्यांक आमच्या द रियल टॉक विथ तृप्तीच्या 6व्या एपिसोडान. आयच्या आमच्या पॉडकास्टान आमी तुमकां बिझनस स्टार्टअप हाव टू बिल्ड युअर ओन पर्सनल ब्रँड हाच्या विशीं खूब म्हायती दितली फ्रॉम दी एक्सपर्ट मिसेस पल्लवी सागर सालगांवकर. शी इज वन ऑफ द टॉप अँड द बेस्ट एंटरप्रेनर्स ऑफ गोवा. She is the Executive Director for Finance at Geno Pharmaceutical Private Limited, and also she is the founder CEO of Daintree Delights, popularly known as Desserts and More, franchise running across Goa. So welcome ma'am आमच्या पॉडकास्टान. कशी आसा तुमी?
Yeah, I'm very good. Thank you for having me today.
आ प्लेजर. सो मॅम आमच्या ऑडियन्साक न्ही एक ब्रीफ इंट्रोडक्शन दिया अबाउट युअर वर्क.
Okay, so I'm delighted to be here at the studio today. I'm Pallavi Salgaonkar. I am a chartered accountant by qualification and I am an entrepreneur by passion. So this love for desserts had made me, I had founded a bakery called as Desserts and More, which is now having which is now operating through a network of franchises, self-operated stores and express counters in Goa and border of Maharashtra. I am also into the entrepreneurial space by being the Goa State President of Lagu Udyog Bharati. I am also SOCHM Goa Women Empowerment Chair and in the Managing Committee of GCCI. So I have been mentoring startups and I am in this space for empowering women and youth. And I am also in for working for MSMEs in the last couple of years, I would say almost 1 decade now in this space. And I'm happy to be here on your podcast show today.
वी आर व्हेरी मच प्रिविलेज की इतले सगळे तुमचे कडल्यान आयज आमकां खूब नॉलेज गावतली. सो वील स्टार्ट विथ युअर फेवरेट ब्रँड युअर डेझर्ट अँड मोर. सो ताची सुरवात तुमी कशी केली?
Okay, so basically कितें जालें की आफ्टर मॅरेज I was in Pune for 3 months. So my husband was an orthopedic surgeon and he was doing his internship. So third, I was free because he was going to hospital. So I started doing these baking courses. So before marriage, how cannot kitchen and what's not. So I had zero knowledge and I started enjoying baking, specifically baking. So third, I went to खूप short term courses केले and then I came back to Goa and then my son was born. So I started experimenting. And तेन्ना हांवें ही mysweetsguide.com म्हणून वेबसायट स्टार्ट केली. So it was just a trial, very amateurish effort. But I was at home at that time because my son was small and I started doing this. ताज्या मागीर I met Sapna Sardesai and we were discussing and then she said to book कित्याक काडना cookbook. So ताज्या मागीर हांवें ते cookbook काडलो Desserts First. So she helped me a lot and we worked on the recipes and then we published it and it was selling and it is sold out.
Okay.
So ताजे मागीर सपनान म्हाका म्हणलें आय गॉट अप्रोच बाय वन मोर ऑल्सो पब्लिशर की गो फॉर द सेकेंड एडिशन. बट बाय दॅट टायम आय मेट अनदर विमन. वी डिसायडेड टू पार्टनर अँड फॉर्म अ बेकरी अँड वी पार्टनर्ड आणि आय गॉट बिझी. सो मागीर तो बूक तसोच उरलो समहाव. इवन नाव रिसंटली आय मेट हर शी टोल्ड मी की let's go for the second edition, but somehow I have now graduated, you can say, from writing a recipe book to actually manufacturing and selling desserts. So then somehow that partnership with that lady did not work out and my husband helped me set up our own bakery in in Thivim Industrial Estate only. So from there we started and then today we are almost 10 years old, 1 decade old, you can say.
Wow, congratulations.
Yeah, this is the 11th year of our bakery.
आणि ताजी जर्नी कशी आशिल्ली लायक वॉट आर द चॅलेंजीस आनी दीस एक्सपिरियन्स
Yeah.
एज अ एंटरप्रेनर.
Okay, challenges were huge. First of all, because I was not from this field. So I am from a finance field.
Okay.
So I knew nothing about this business. So whatever I have learned through my experiences. So there were a lot of shops which I started with and which I had to shut down. Now shutting down, I would say, is not an emotional decision. It is a business decision. If something doesn't work, you shut it. It's like that. कोण कितें म्हटली मैं दुकान बंद केले की whatever it is, I said. It's a business decision. Something doesn't work, you shut it. So down the line, we have learnt a lot. I have learnt a lot also. My team also has learnt a lot. की खंय दुकानां ओपन करपाची, खंय कशें करपाचें. Like when I started out around 10 years back, my franchisee जे आशिल्लें model did not work at that time. Because we were not a known brand, and then I came to know कि franchisee चलपा खातीर your brand should be strong. So that's why my franchisee model didn't do well, and also because I could not do that terms and conditions जे आशिल्ले पळय franchisee format जो म्हणटा तो, that was not framed well also. So when I initially started it, it didn't do well. So we were only operating through self-operated shops and express counters जे आमी आतां म्हणटा. So over the years, I think last maybe 5-6 years, then somehow I was being able to put the franchisee format into place. And then we are now operating through self-operated shops, franchisees, and also express counters. So lot of places, almost I think 13-15 places in Goa we are selling, and one is in Maharashtra, border of Goa.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
So great. Ma'am, तुमचें जे नाव आसा डेंट्री डिलायट्स ऑल्सो पॉप्युलरली नोन एज डेझर्ट्स अँड मोर, सो तें नाव कशें दवरलें, म्हटल्यार एनी स्पेसिफीक रिजन फॉर ब्रँडींग किंवा नेमींग?
Okay, actually it started from Desserts first book ashillo.
Okay.
So I wanted the journey to continue and the connections ashille. So it was so a marketing person gave us a couple of options, and tatun desserts and more because I always loved desserts. So but I didn't want that was the only thing that we were offering. So we were offering more than just desserts. So that was the whole idea. So आता डेझर्ट्स अँड मोर म्हणजे आम्ही कुकीजू करता, ब्रेड्स करता, सेवरीज करता, चॉकलेट्स करता, अँड अदर बेकरी अलाइड प्रोडक्ट्स, इवन मिनी मील्स वी डू. सो desserts is the focus, and we also make other things. So that was the whole idea of the name.
ओके. सो तुम्ही आता इतले प्रोडक्शन करता, सो वॉट आर द थिंग्स रिक्वायर्ड फॉर द गुड मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग ऑर प्रोडक्शन?
Good manufacturing practices, I think first thing is a good team.
ओके.
So that is a basic. So bari team asli, then you are good. So over the last few years, our problem in Goa is that ours is a hospitality state. So labor churn is quite high, especially at the lower level, helpers and everything. Some of the chefs have been there with me throughout the years. So retaining your staff is very important. You have to give them good monetary incentives, good working conditions, and incentivize them. So that is one thing. Second thing is that orders, आताचे customers are very fussy. So they will go and pick up anything from the net. तांकां कितें असलो फोटो इसलो केकाचो, they will WhatsApp you, they will make you do something which is there on the other side of the globe. And then हे तो ताजो मिक्स करतलो, तो दुसऱ्या केकाचो मिक्स कर, हे हाजे वयले डिझायन काड, 3-4 केक्स मिक्स अँड मॅच करून. So they are very fussy, they want it. Some people are okay, but some of them can be very fussy. So we have to work because one person just coordinates the order. One person makes the cake, one person takes the cake orders at the counters. So the full team has to coordinate and do it well. And ours is a state-of-the-art FDA compliant bakery. So we see to it that everything is hygienically prepared. So that is one thing from production side we take care of.
Okay, when you hire your employees, like what are the qualities you see in your this?
Yeah, first thing knowledge असपाकच जाय. Knowledge and skill शिवाय we can't take. Second thing, we can't make out from the first interview, but he has to be honest, integrity. चड jobs change करपाक जायना. So some of the biodatas I see every 2 years change. अरे कित्याक change करता every 2 years? Means you know this person will stay for 2 years and again go. So that stability मातशी आसपाक जाय in the person when you see the CV. Knowledge and skill is very important.
ओके. तुमचे डेझर्ट्स अँड मोर ओवरऑल जी कंपनी आसा ताज्या बद्दल सांगा न्ही.
So Desserts and More is a division of Gino Pharmaceuticals. So
Okay.
that is our family-owned business. So that is a pharmaceutical business. So I'm a finance director in that company. So basically I I divide my time between
Okay.
the two, between the pharmaceutical business and this bakery business. So this happened just 10 years back, and I am working in the pharma company for almost 2 decades now. So it happened by passion, by choice, or by I don't know, opportunity, you can say. So it just when I started it, I had not planned की अशें जातलें फुडें म्हणून, that इतले I would be able to set up a bakery chain. And one thing about bakery is that कितें जालें, in Goa there's too much of competition. In every nook and corner there are bakeries. And second thing is, now we are also competing with national brands, international brands. At least first फक्त local brands आशिल्ले. So you have all these national brands, you have this international brands which are come like Starbucks and everything. So we are a homegrown bakery, like we call it. We have created a brand from a scratch.
Yes.
That is very difficult. And they are, you already know them, they are there all over the net and they are very famous. So it is very difficult to draw in customers and draw them away from these big brands.
तुम्ही मॅम एक्झिक्युटीव डायरेक्टर फॉर फायनान्स एट जेनो फार्मास्युटिकल्स आसा, सो ताजो तुमचो रोल कितें आसा?
Okay, so I started at being in the accounts and finance department. But my husband is very supportive. So he has encouraged me की बाकीचे functions of the company. So right now I also overlook legal role of the company, and I also look a little bit involved in the production, marketing, exports. Our exports is also quite a big amount. So I look into other functions of the company of late. Because पयलीं कितें जातालें, my son was very small, so ताका शिकप, स्कुलान work hard and all that things were there. So आतां he is big. So now आतां I get a lot of time where I can do other things what I couldn't earlier do. So I am also involved in other activities. त्या खातीर I have taken a lot of office bearers activities of late. So I divide my time between my work responsibilities in Gino and the bakery and other office bearers responsibilities.
ओके मॅम, आमकां सांगात की एक बरो बिझनस स्टार्टअप करपाक जाय जाल्यार वॉट आर द प्लॅन्स ऑर स्ट्रॅटजीज रिक्वायर्ड फॉर
Yeah.
दॅट?
So basically when I started out 10 years back, आताची जे इकोसिस्टम आसा पळय इज टोटली डिफरंट फ्रॉम वॉट वी स्टार्टेड 10 years back. सो तेन्ना हे गायड करपाक बी कोण नाशिल्ले. सो एट दॅट टायम एक्चुली आय मेट अ मेंटॉर, नंदिनी वैद्यनाथन म्हणून. So I always mention her name. So कितें जालें, she was a mentor who started guiding me. की आता because I started without any plan in place. I just started it and I just went ahead. की हे चलता, हे चलना, हे करपाचें, ते करपाचें ना. She brought some kind of procedure into my method into the business म्हणटा तशें. So she guided me की आता plans कर, 1 year plan, 2 year plans. And what her style of consulting was different altogether. She started making me की you study your own business, you study your competitors, ते कितें करता ते पळय, तुज्या बिझनसान शॉर्टकमिंग्स कितें आसा ते पळय, where are the opportunities where you can increase your business. So she made me study my own business, which was different style actually. कारण आय यूज टू वंडर, फॉर मी इट वॉज अ पेड मेंटरशीप एट दॅट टायम. सो आय वॉज थिंकिंग की हिणें म्हाका फ्री एडवायस दिवपाचें सोडून म्हाकाच तकलीफ फोडपाक लायला की म्हाजोच बिझनस स्टडी कर, म्हाकाच आयडियाज हाड, म्हाकाच ऑपॉर्च्युनिटीज सर्च कर, सगळें म्हाकाच करपाक लायलें. वाय एम आय पेईंग हर एट दॅट टायम आय थॉट. बट देन शी वॉज सच अ एक्सलंट टीचर. एंड मागीर ती शीज टू रीड माय रिपोर्ट्स इमिजिएटली टेल मी, नो दिस इज रॉंग, यू शूड कट डावन ऑन कॉस्टिंग, यू शूड कट आउट दिस एक्सपेंडिचर, यू शूड सी मीन्स यू शूड कंपेर युअर एक्चुअल्स विथ द बजेट, खंय वेरियन्सीस आसा ते पळय, वर्क आउट ऑन दोज वेरियन्सीस. देन शी वॉज गायडिंग मी. But she essentially made me do my own work. So that was a different style of mentorship, I would say. Because कितें जालें, over the years now, earlier I had sought a mentor and now I am mentoring. So I am actually onboarded on WEP, a Women Entrepreneurship Platform, which is a platform of Niti Aayog. So for women entrepreneurs. So third, I have got on listed because of FICCI Flow Association, which I was a part of. And then Makamagir, I was mentoring a startup from Kerala first. So she was a cafe, so tanka mentoring kartale. And then I started mentoring one more lady right now I'm mentoring in Hyderabad, who is also into the food business. So I started my mentoring journey with somebody else and today I'm mentoring others. So sometimes I feel my life has come a full circle. But the best part about mentoring is that of course you have to give it time. को तांचे business ती आपले सगळे reports भी धाडटा, you have to see it and then give them advice. पण what I enjoy is I also learn in the process. कारण ती आता म्हाका she was showing me her artworks and we spend quite a lot like 10 to 15K or 25K पर्यंत जाता with digital marketing agencies. So she actually got her artworks done through student. स्टुडंट इंटर्न्स म्हणतात
Oh.
तशे, अँड दे वर व्हेरी गुड. अँड ती शी वॉज टेलिंग मी 2,000 to 3,000 आय गेट व्हेरी गुड आर्टवर्क्स डन. सो आय वॉज like such good quality. And she said we are bootstrap startup, means we don't have so much of funds. So we try to save as much as possible. So this was like a very good way. मग स्टुडंट्साकूय शिकपाक चान्स मेळटा आनी तिकाय एट अ व्हेरी रिजनेबल रेट हे मेळटले. सो मेंटॉरशीप इज बोथ गिविंग अँड अ लर्निंग प्रोसेस बोथ.
येस. सो आम्ही आतां पळयता टू सेट अप अ गुड बिझनस यू नीड फायनान्स.
Yeah.
सो वॉट आर द फायनान्स, म्हणजे एक समज कोणाक स्टार्टअप करपाक जाय जाल्यार गोंयान कितें फायनान्स कशें वचपाचें?
So basically, I luckily, since we were part of Singh, we were division of Gino, I didn't require that much of finance, but I have been meeting people and I've been interacting with entrepreneurs. So a lot of entrepreneurs, the first problem is finance. Yeah. So basically at the lower end is family and friends. So first you reach out to your family and friends की कोण पैसे घालता, घरातले फॅमिलीचे बापूय आवय पैसे घालता, नाल्यार कोण क्लोज रिलेटिव्स पैसे घालता. दॅट इज फर्स्ट थिंग. ताजे मागीर यू लूक एट एंजल इन्वेस्टर, अँड देन यू लूक एट गव्हर्मेंट इन्सेंटिव्स ना गव्हर्मेंट स्किम्स कसली आसा ती, अँड देन द हाय लेवल इन्वेस्टर्स हू इन्वेस्ट क्वायट अ लॉट, तांकां वचून पिच करचें पडटा. सो आतां गव्हर्मेंट स्किम्स आसता पळय तातूंत भितर हाजी EDCची आसा, CMRY, चीफ मिनिस्टर रोजगार योजना. सो दॅट इज अ व्हेरी गुड स्कीम वेर द इफेक्टीव रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट कॅन बी ऑलमोस्ट 2%. सो इट इज 8%, आनी तूं समज रेग्युलरली पेमेंट केलें जाल्यार तुका मागीर रिबेट मेळटा 6%. सो इफेक्टीव रेट कूड बी एज लो एज 2% इफ यू आर अ गुड थिंग, इफ यू पे वेल द लोन अमाउंट. ते एक आसा. मागीर MSME सेज लॉट ऑफ स्किम्स आर देर. So if you are registered on the MSME, then you can go on the MSME portal. Third is हे आसा CGT MSc आसा, then Prime Minister's EMP Employment thing, ते एक आसा scheme. ताज्या मागीर there are a lot of other schemes also. So if you go on the portal, you can see a lot of schemes. Startup गोवाची पॉलिसी आसा I think 2021ची. So there also you get a lot of financial incentives. where even co-working space घेतले जाल्यार reimbursement मेळटा. For project report you get financial incentives. Then for patent filing I think you get. So lot of schemes are there for that. आणि other thing is startup इंडियाची आसा, digital इंडियाची आसा, skill इंडियाची आसा. So these are some of the main schemes, and the best part is that everything is online. So if you go to the portal you can get a total list of the schemes. For Goa, I think best place to approach would be either EDC or MSME office, DFO office at Madgawa. There you can go and you can approach them. तुमकां खंयचे क्लॅरिटीज जाय स्किम्साची. फर्स्ट तुमी ऑनलायन पळोवपाची की स्कीम कशी आसा, कितें आसा, हाव इट इज एप्लिकेबल टू यू. And then you can, for a better understanding, you can visit their offices. So basically, either तुका interest rebate मेळटा नाल्यार तुका subsidy मेळटले of the project cost, whatever it is. So a lot of schemes are there and most of them are online, so that is good for you.
ओके मॅम, तुम्ही न्ही गोवा स्टेट प्रेसिडेंट आशिल्ली फॉर गोवा लघु उद्योग भारती. सो ताजे आमकां सांगा न्ही ताचो रोल तुमचो.
हय. So I have just taken over from last 4 months back.
Okay.
So ताज्या so earlier I was a member in Laghu Udyog Bharati. In fact, Laghu Udyog Bharati Goacho chapter is still young, just 2 years, few months. So we are basically in the field of empowering MSMEs म्हणटाचे.
टेल अस अबाउट MSME.
Yeah. Micro, small and medium enterprises म्हणटा ते. So basically this was started a few years back. जे आता तांचे turnover criteria change जाला. So anything below 500 is MSME. So if you have to be registered on Udyam Aadhar म्हणटा ते, Udyam Udyog, and then you are a registered MSME. So hanka all India we have almost 50,000 plus members. In Goa we are 100 plus members and we are still growing every day. So basically आम्ही capacity building programs करता, skill programs करता, we do knowledge series and we do schemes, awareness of schemes for MSMEs. We give them chance to network among different people, partners.
लायक गांवागांवान वचून और लायक खंय
Now we do where there is MSME आसा थंय.
okay.
Where there is MSME. So SOCM when I was आम्ही थंय गांवागांवांनी केला प्रोग्राम. But for लघु उद्योग we do की industrial estate or cities, urban cities or wherever there are MSMEs. Yeah.
ओके मॅम आमकां न्ही परमिशन फॉर द स्टार्टअप म्हणजे जर समज स्टार्टअप करपाक जाय जाल्यार परमिशन इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट लायसन्सींग सो ताजे थोडे ब्रीफ दिया न्ही.
Okay, so for anything starting in Goa, you require license. तातून भितर first thing, if you are a MSME, if you are within the criteria of the MSME, जाल्यार मागीर उद्योग certificate you can go and apply for it. So basically you just type MSME. उद्यम आधार सर्टिफिकेट and you go on online and you get that link and थंय मागीर तुम्ही register करू शकता online. And if you have any clarification or you have any problem, you can always approach the office in Margao. MSME DFO ऑफिस इन मारगांव. मागीर इफ यू आर इंटू फूड बिजनस तुका FDA लायसन्स लागतलो. आनी मागीर इफ यू आर अ कमर्शियल एस्टॅब्लिशमेंट देन शॉप इन एस्टॅब्लिशमेंट लायसन्स नाल्यार ट्रेड लायसन्स वीच इज गिवन बाय मुन्सिपॅलिटीज एंड पंचायत्स. एंड देन मागीर इफ यू आर इन टुरिजम बिजनस मागीर टुरिजम रिलेटेड हे लायसन्सीस. And then other things, fire NOC, nalar kasle health NOC, pollution controlaचे NOC, and other whatever is applicable to a industry. So industry change जातले ते.
मॅम तुमचे आतां खूब आउटलेट्स आसा डेझर्ट्स एंड मोरचे सो एक लोकेशन ऑफ द प्लेस कशें इम्पॉर्टंट आहा टू रन द बिजनस.
Okay, so basically my first shop which I had started, I had actually to shut it down and it was a very emotional decision for me. But then what doesn't work. It was a business decision to shut it down. So from that time I knew location is an important part. कारण ते आशिल्ले मातशे फाटल्या एरियान. सो त्या सायडीन लोक येनाशिल्ले. It was not on the main road. So आता when I look at shops, I always see to it की either main road facing आसपाक जाय or in a busy footfall area. Even residential area आसपाक जाय पण कचकचीत मातशी residential area. जे लोकांक मागीर सिटीन वचपाक नाका थंयच्यान मागीर थंयच्या लागीं आसा म्हणून घेतले बी अशें. So and close to schools and colleges because my major customers are from schools, colleges, भुरगीं आसता. So they are the ones who eat a lot of desserts and bakery products. So हांव आतां ती एरियाज नाव आतां म्हाका पटक करून कळटा. सो एनी टायम लायक दॅट डे वेर वी अप्रोच बाय फ्रँचायझी हांव पळोवपाक गेलें ना इमिजिएटली सेड ओके हें चलतलें. नाल्यार आतां थ्रू एक्सपिरियन्स वी हॅव डन अ लॉट ऑफ मिस्टेक्स एंड वी हॅव लर्न थ्रू अवर मिस्टेक्स. पण आतां कळटा कितें चलतलें कितें चलचें ना. आरे हें दुकान नाका पार्किंग ना सगळी गाडयो स्ट्रेट वता कोण थांबतलो हांगा मदीं दो इट इज इन अ रोड फेसिंग एरिया. स्पेशली परवरी नाव यू हॅविंग दॅट प्रॉब्लम. सो तें कळटा आतां ओवर द इयर्स थ्रू एक्सपिरियन्स. But we have learned through experience, I would say.
ओके सो तुमी न्ही चेअरपर्सन सुद्दां आशिल्ली ऑफ गोवा GCC सो ताजें आमकां सांगा न्ही.
या सो GCC हांव वुमन्स विंगचे हांव 4 years चेअरपर्सन आशिल्लें. ताजे पयलीं आय वॉज अ मेंबर इन द कमिटी एंड फॉर 4 years आनी ताज्या मागीर आय बिकेम द चेअरपर्सन वीच वॉज द 2-year term फॉर 2 more years मागीर एक्सटेंड जालो. सो दॅट वॉज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट एनरिचींग एक्सपिरियन्स आय वूड से. So कारण what I have seen in Goa is most of the women entrepreneurs जी आसा they are micro and small. So not medium and large, very less are there. So basically self-help groups खूप आसा. We have a lot of self-help groups in Goa. And second is micro and small women entrepreneurs who are into food business, who are into clothing business, and what I would say is a traditional businesses. So we have done a lot of programs for them like financial literacy केला, digital literacy programs केला, and then skill building केला, and खूप programs केला. Even we had a help desk where we had women from women and child director, my advocate आशिल्ले, and different fields where we used to give them free business advice. एक ते आशिल्ले फ्री बिजनस एडवायस आनी दुसरें म्हणजे बिजनस दिवा केल्ले आमी स्टार्ट केल्ले वीच इज नाव इन द 6th edition. सो वी हॅव जस्ट लॉन्च द 6th edition where we एनकरेज अँड वी अवॉर्ड 3 कॅटेगरीज आसा. एक म्हणजे स्टार्टअप, एक स्केल अप अँड एक इज रुरल एंटरप्रेन्योर जाता आसा. सो स्टार्टअप मिन्स बिजनसीस लेस दॅन 2 years, स्केल अप म्हणजे बिजनसीस मोर दॅन 2 years, अँड रुरल एंटरप्रेन्योर्स मिन्स एंटरप्रेन्योर्स हू आर इन द रुरल एरियाज. हे आमी 3 कॅटेगरीज केल्ले टू एनकरेज वुमन एंटरप्रेन्योर्स अप्लाय करात. अँड इट वॉज इन असोसिएशन विथ फायर माय फोरम फॉर इनोव्हेशन इन्क्युबेशन रिसर्च अँड एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप वीच इज अ गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ इंडिया इनिशिएटीव असोसिएशन. सो थ्रू देम करून ही जी वुमन अवॉर्डीज जी आसता हू वीन अल्टिमेटली थ्रू द कॉम्पिटिशन तांकां मागीर फायर इन्क्युबेट करतालो, बिजनस एडवायस दिताले, हेल्प देम टू स्केल. सो अ लॉट ऑफ एक्सपिरियन्स आय हॅव गॉट थ्रू दीस पोजिशन ऑफ मायन GCC वुमन्स विंग.
ओके रिसंटली आमी तुमकां पळयता की यू विजीट कॉलेजीस फॉर इव्हेंट्स बीन. सो वॉट आर द रिस्पॉन्स फ्रॉम द यंग बायडिंग एंटरप्रेनर्स?
So कोविडान एक्चुअली म्हाका फर्स्ट टायम वन टॉप कॉलेज ऑफ गोवा दे टोल्ड मी टू स्पीक अबाउट माय एंटरप्रेन्युअल जर्नी. इट वॉज ऑनलायन झूम सेशन. सो उलयलें फॉर 1 hour. सो द एंड ऑफ इट आय आस्क्ड देम हाऊ मेनी ऑफ यू ऑल वॉन्ट टू बिकम एंटरप्रेन्युअर्स. सो ते 100च्या क्लासींतले म्हाका दिसता 3 की 5 जाणांनी हात वयर काडलो ऑन दिस. एंड आय वॉज लायक हांव 1 वर कितें म्हूण उलयलें 1 वर उलयलें. सो नाव वेन आय गो टू कॉलेजीस आय आस्क द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन कितले जाणां वॉन्ट टू बिकम एंटरप्रेन्युअर्स बिकॉज डिपेंडींग ऑन दॅट आय कॅन स्पीक. सो आतां ऑलमोस्ट म्हाका दिसता ऑल कॉलेजींनी लेस दॅन 5% पीपल वॉन्ट टू बिकम ऑन्टरप्रेन्युअर्स. एंड आय एम लायक 1 वर उलयतलें नोबडी वॉन्ट्स टू बिकम ऑन्टरप्रेन्युअर्स. पण आतां अवेरनेस इज मच मोर दॅन बिफोर. सो दे वूड लायक बट कितें जाता ऑन्टरप्रेन्युअरशीप इज अ रिस्की जर्नी. जर्नी. सो दे वॉन्ट अ सेक्युअर जॉब घेतलो की सेक्युरिटी आसता. ऑन्टरप्रेन्युअरशीप यू डोंट नो लॉट ऑफ स्टार्टअप्स फेल लायक 90% प्लस फेल म्हणटा. एंड दे रिक्वायर अ लॉट ऑफ कॅश इनफ्लो. सो त्या खातीर भुरगीं आर लिटल बीट डायसी की तांकां दिसता केन्ना केन्ना जॉब घेवया म्हणून. पण इट इज गूड. आतां खूब क्वेश्चनां विचारता ती एंड दे अवेर. आतांची जनरेशन आय ऑलवेज टेल देम की आतां तुमकां ChatGPT आसा, AI आसा, जेमिनाय आसा, मेटा आसा. सो यू हॅव गॉट लॉट ऑफ अवेरनेस. गुगल करूं शकता तुमी. तांकां अवेरनेस खूब आसा बिकॉज रिसंटली आय हॅव गॉन टू ऑलमोस्ट 4 कॉलेजीस. सो दे न्यू वॉट वॉज देर, वॉट इज ट्रेंडींग, वॉट इज हॅपनींग एंड द इगरनेस आसा भितर. सो ऑन्टरप्रेन्युअरशीप हॅज गॉट अ गूड स्कोप आय वूड से अमॉंग द स्टुडंट्स.
ओके. सो आमकां तुमचे 2 मोस्ट इन्स्पिरेशनल वुमन एंटरप्रेन्युअर सांगात न्ही ऑफ इंडिया.
Mine is definitely Kiran Mujumdar Shaw because she is a woman I always admired. In fact, when we had gone to Bangalore for a program, she was chief guest, but unfortunately she backed out. So the way she set up her pharma company, so that was very inspirational. She's a very inspirational woman for me. And second one, where I always हांव आतां म्हजें प्रेजेंटेशन करून कॉलेजच्या भुरग्यां कडेन उलयता. सो देर इज वन वुमन फ्रॉम नायका. Now we all know Nykaa, the Panje asa opposite Azad Maidan. And so when I go, I always talk to them about Nykaa thing. So the way she's Falguni Nair, she's a owner of Nykaa. So she's basically started her business at the age of 50. So 50 is the age we generally tend to slow down and everything. And she's actually starting her business. So ती basically, I think she was working for Kotak Mahindra Bank, and then she decided ki I want to start my own enterprise, and she started her own business. So Nykaa is right now, I think, पहिली फक्त ऑनलायन आशिल्ली and then it has started physical stores. So 300 plus I think physical stores. मागीर तिणें IPO start केलें, and the way she went, the way she created a brand, she saw gaps in the business. खंय बिजनस ना, खंय बिजनस ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी आसा, खंय आपूण नायका सेगमेंट स्टार्ट करूं शकता, थंय तिणें स्टार्ट केलें. सो शी इज ऑल्सो अ बीग इन्स्पिरेशन फॉर मी.
हाऊ डू यू मॅनेज युअर वर्क लाईफ अँड युअर पर्सनल लाईफ?
वर्क लाईफ बॅलन्स. Every time I'm called for some association interviews or something, I always tell my work-life balance is for a toss. I mean, I'm doing too many things. Of late, I'm trying to slow down because it then becomes too much. So, but I'm much a work-life balance. I need to balance. So, because sometimes even on Sundays I work. Then I like to write. So, I write a monthly column in The Goan. So, आणि कोण कितें सांगता म्हाका हें बरें तें बरें. सो आय लायक टू रायट. एंड इवन ते पावसान नॉर्मली एक्टिविटीज कमी आसता. सो लास्ट टायम फ्रॉम द युनिवर्सिटी ऑफ शिकागो आय डीड दिस ऑनलायन कोर्स ऑफ writing, creative writing. And it was for op-eds. So at that time, I didn't even know the meaning of op-eds. So op-eds is a write-up what you do in newspapers. So I did this course online and it was like live online. So म्हाका सकाळी 4 उठचें पडटालें. अमेरिकाच्या टायमिंगाक तो कोर्स 4 ते 7 आशिल्ले. So I used to get up in the morning and log online and then learn. He taught us very well की माझें writing कशें improve करपाचें, and I did it. So आमकां हे it is very important that we are lifelong learners. आता कोविड टायमान आय डीड अ कोर्स. पयलीं हांवें हो केलो गोल्डमॅन सॅच कोर्स विच वॉज जस्ट अ 3 months कोर्स. ताजे मागीर इट वॉज देर फॉर कोविड वॉज देर फॉर ऑलमोस्ट 2 years पळय. ताजे मागीर हांवें स्टॅनफोर्डचे इनोवेशन अँड ऑन्टरप्रेन्युअरशीप कोर्स केलो. दॅट वॉज ऑल्सो ऑनलायन. आनी आतां पावसान बी मातशे कमी एक्टिविटीज आसता पळय, म्हणून हांवें ह्या वर्सा पावसान हांवें तो शिकागोचो क्रिएटीव रायटींग कोर्स केलो. सो वी हॅव टू कॉन्स्टंटली लर्न. इवन फॉर अ CA आमचे रेग्युलेशन्स आमचे रूल्स सगळे चेंज जायत असता. सो वी हॅव टू कॉन्स्टंटली रीड, वी हॅव टू गो अँड अटेंड अ सेमिनार्स, वर्कशॉप्स, लर्न वॉट इज हॅपनिंग इन न्यू थिंग्स दॅट इज हॅपनिंग अराउंड यू, न्यू रेग्युलेशन जे येता, न्यू रूल्स आता आमचे इवन इन्कम टॅक्स लॉ इज गोइंग टू बी कम्प्लिटली ओवरहॉल्ड. आमी जे शिकिल्ले 20 वर्सां पयलीं इज टोटली इरेलेवंट टुडे. GST बी केन्ना शिकूंकच नाशिल्ले. सो आतां जेन्ना इंट्रोड्यूस जाता तेन्ना आमकां शिकचें पडटा. सो वी हॅव टू ऑल गो ऑन बींग लायफ लाँग लर्नर्स. So that is the way we improve, we adapt, we learn new things.
Okay, what is the best part of Deserts and More?
You'll have to ask my customers. I feel I like everything.
Okay, your favorite dessert, like?
Mine, I would say, I think fastest movers are chocolate, Dutch truffle, Serradura, and our designer cakes are our top thing.
ओके मॅम आमचे एस्पायरींग एंटरप्रिनर्स आहात तांच्या खातीर थोडे एडवायस.
हय, एस्पायरींग ऑन्टरप्रेनर्स इज दॅट फर्स्ट इज बिलीव इन युअर सेल्फ. बी रेडी टू रिफायन युअर प्रोडक्ट. दे आर मेनी टायम्स देर इज वन वर्ड आय लायक सेईंग इज पिवटिंग. सो कितें जाता की समटायम्स वॉट यू डू, वॉट प्रोडक्ट यू डू डजंट वर्क आउट. यू नीड टू पिवट, यू नीड टू एडॅप्ट टू आतां whatever are the market conditions, whatever the customer preferences, or there may be certain rules and regulation changes. So you must be able to adapt to that changing dynamic scenario, world scenario. So adaptability is very important for an entrepreneur. Second thing, it is okay if you fall down. You must learn to stand up and rise again. Surround yourself with people who are positive. And entrepreneurship is a journey. You have to enjoy it.
Yes, 2 tips to be successful in life.
Yeah. One thing is adaptability. जे हांवें सांगला, you must be able to adapt to the market. Because unless you adapt, unless you pivot. आता आमच्या टायमार I can give you one example. आमचो COVID was a most challenging time for a bakery. वो कितें जालें, ओवरनायट सगळीं शॉपां बंद जालीं, ओवरनायट बेकरी बंद जाली. सो एट दॅट टायम वॉट वी डीड की 15 दिसान गव्हर्मेंट स्टार्टेड की एसेन्शियल सर्विसेस आर अलाउड टू फंक्शन. सो आम्ही एसेन्शियल सर्विसेस लायसन्स घेतले अँड वी स्टार्टेड ऑपरेटिंग, डिलिव्हरिंग होम डिलिव्हरी. वी शिफ्टेड फ्रॉम जो आमचो फिजिकल फॉर्मॅट आशिल्लो टू ऑनलायन फॉर्मॅट वे वी स्टार्टेड डिलिव्हरिंग टू पीपल. डिलिव्हरिंग ब्रेड्स पयलीं, ब्रेड्स अँड कुकीज, आनी मागीर जेन्ना गव्हर्मेंटान परमिशन दिलें वी स्टार्टेड डिलिव्हरिंग अदर थिंग्स. सो वी मूव फ्रॉम फिजिकल स्टोर्स टू ऑनलायन स्टोर्स टू डिलिव्हरी फॉर्मॅट. सो वी वर विलिंग टू पिवट. एडॅप्टिबिलिटी म्हणटा पळय फॉर अ ऑन्टरप्रेन्युअर, दॅट इज वन थिंग. सेकंड थिंग इज नेटवर्क. आतांच्या काळान नेटवर्कींग इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट अँड सिकींग आउट मेंटर्स. नेटवर्कींग इज कितें जाता, देर आर लॉट ऑफ असोसिएशन्स नाव, वेदर इट इज GCCI or Logo Udyog Bharati or ASSOCHAM or certain specific sectors like GTA asa, Goa Technology Sector, or Hotel Association or Restaurateurs Association, like GPME आमी Goa Pharmaceutical Manufacturers Association. So specific तुज्या हाकाक जे लागता ते असोसिएशना वचून नेटवर्क करपाचें विथ पीपल. सो वेन यू नेटवर्क यू कॅन लर्न अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स, यू गेट न्यू इनसायट्स, इट ओपन्स द डोर्स फॉर न्यू कोलॅबरेशन्स. सो दॅट इज इम्पॉर्टंट, नेटवर्किंग.
So how family plays a very important role in your life?
Family is very important because without my husband's support, I would have never achieved all these things. So Sagar was like totally supportive with all the roles, from setting up of the bakery to आता office bearers जे roles जे हांव घेता ते. My son is my biggest critic, I would say. So he is like, आणि आताची भुरगीं जी आसा they are very net savvy and very IT savvy म्हणटात. He is also into electricals anyway, engineering he is doing. So anything I want, anything and everything ही कशी फायल आता हातून नॉर्मल PPTच्यान PDF कन्वर्ट करपाची पासून टू एनीथिंग AI की अरे हो ॲप कसो करपाचो PPT, because all my PPTs are done by him with the help of AI, and then so he is like totally helpful to me. And my in-laws are very supportive because without somebody having to manage the home, it is not possible for me to go out. My parents, my sister, brother, all of them are very supportive. My friends also very supportive. So it is very important that you have a family support for women, because आम्ही multitasking करता. We go out, we have to look at after our homes also. So we require a very supportive atmosphere at home.
ओके मॅम, तुमचे चायल्डहूड कशें आशिल्लें?
So I had a very nice, comfortable childhood because I am from the family of Zantes. So I was born and brought up in Bicholim. Actually, up to 12th standard schooling I have done in Bicholim. Taja Magir I have done in SS Dempo College in Panjim. And Taja Magir I went to Bombay to do my CA and sing articleship. So we had a very relaxed, and our life then was so much different. आता you see kids all the time on their mobile. So sometimes I feel sad for the generation. अरे सबंद वे मोबाईल, सबंद वे सोशल मीडिया. सो आम्ही ॲक्च्युली भायर वताली, खेळटाली. वी हॅड अ फ्रेंड्स, वीज टू तेन्ना टी वी बी वॉट एवर लिमिटेड टी वी वॉज ऑन दूरदर्शन वीज टू वॉच. अँड अवर लाईफ वॉज टोटली डिफरंट. दॉट एज वॉज टोटली डिफरंट. आताची एज, आणि आम्ही बुक्स वाचताली. सो नॉर्मली वेन आय गो टू कॉलेज आय ऑलवेज टेल देम रीड बुक्स. बिकॉज वी यूज टू रीड अ लॉट ऑफ बुक्स. आताची जनरेशन वाचत ना. दे डोंट रीड न्यूजपेपर्स. कितें मेळटा ती नॉलेज इज फ्रॉम सोशल मिडिया फॉर देम. अँड टोटली इंटू व्हॉट्सॲप ग्रुप्स अँड टोटली इंटू
Social media.
डिजिटल डिव्हायसेस.
ओके, सोशल मिडियाचे आम्ही आता उल्लेख केला. सो सोशल मीडिया कशी आम्ही मार्केटींग टेक्निक्स यूज करून आमचो बिझनस ग्रो करपाक शकता?
Very much. Because हांवें जेन्ना स्टार्ट केल्लें पळय, आय हॅड स्टार्टेड विथ न्यूजपेपर एड्स विच आर व्हेरी एक्सपेन्सिव्ह, ऑर न्यूजपेपर इन्सर्ट्स. पण मागीर कोविडा मागीर यू हार्डली पीपल डोंट रीड न्यूजपेपर्स, दे रीड इट ऑनलायन, दे डोंट रीड फिजिकल न्यूजपेपर्स. सो आतां यू हॅव टू स्टार्ट. Social media presence is important because everybody is on social media. Zanti man, young man, everybody is, and that's the best way to market. And there are a lot of tools. I also don't understand, but my marketing person is doing, where you can put the advertisements. You can boost your photos or boost your advertisements, boost images, and events creates करू शकता. Plus WhatsApp marketing asa. So WhatsApp marketing also we have tied up, where we can send WhatsApp messages. So online presence is very important.
येस मॅम, आयज तुम्ही आमकां इतली इन्फॉर्मेशन दिले अबाउट द बिझनस स्टार्टअप आनी हाव टू बिल्ड युअर ओन पर्सनल ब्रँड. आपलो बिझनस कसो स्टार्टअप करपाक जाय. आमकां खूब खूब बरें दिसलें. तुमकां कशें दिसलें आमच्या पॉडकास्टान येवन?
Oh, very nice.
लायक हाव वॉज द एक्सपिरियन्स?
Yeah, it was very good. This is actually my first podcast, I think.
ओके.
I have gone and spoken in studios. I've spoken in Doordarshan. But this way, this style of doing a podcast is my first experience.
Okay.
So I'm very much loving it. And you are a great host. And your team is great.
थँक यू. विथआउट टीम सपोर्ट
Yeah.
वी आर नथिंग. सो आयज आमी तुमकां बिझनस रिलेटेड पॉडकास्ट हाव टू डू अ स्टार्टअप हो पॉडकास्ट आमी आयज पयलो. आमच्या बरोबर मॅम पल्लवी सालगांवकर, तांच्यांनी तुमकां इतली इन्फॉर्मेशन दिली आनी वेळ काडून ती आमच्या बरोबर हांगा आयली. तुमकां खूब खूब धन्यवाद म्हणटा, देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. आनी तांची जी पेज आसा डेझर्ट्स अँड मोर इंस्टाग्रामाचेर, ती आमी डिस्क्रिप्शनान दितली. आनी आमचो हो चॅनल गोवा एज्यू हब सबस्क्रायब करपाक विसरूं नाकात. आनी इंस्टाग्रामाचेर द रियल टॉक विथ तृप्ती हो सुद्दां अकावंट सबस्क्रायब करपाक आनी फॉलो करपाक विसरूं नाकात. आनी तुमकां जर हो पॉडकास्ट आवडलो जाल्यार प्लीज लायक करात, शेअर करात आनी कॉमेंट करात. आनी मेळुया आमी नेक्स्ट पॉडकास्टान. देव बरें करूं.